My name is Danny Todd. I live in Louisville, Kentucky. My mentor is Lachlan McLean, and I'm working with him at the Mothership, 84 WHAS. I got into the mentorship by realizing that I wanted to be a broadcaster. I wanted to get into sports broadcasting after searching the internet, traditional broadcasting schools. Uh, I'm not the youngest man. I'm 41 years old. Realized that a 4-year traditional school at this point, it is practical, but it wasn't going to get me into the microphone and headphone side of the business very quickly. So after searching the internet, I ran across Michael Madden and the Sportscasters Mentoring Group. Deliberated on a long time, actually made the steps, and he did what he said he would do. He said give him 5 stations. He gave him a week, and I wound up at 84 84 WHS working with Lachlan McLean. He's told me that it's going to be a sacrifice for those who are out there thinking about it. Don't think you're going to wind up being like Lachlan or Colin Cowherd or Dan Patrick, anybody once you finish the program. It's a process, and it's going to take a lot of sacrifice, but it's worth it. I mean, if you have what it takes, and figuring out that you have what it takes is very important. I mean, this thing has been priceless to me because it's not like any other school where you go to college, you spend 4 years in something and then realize this might not be what I want to do. So you get into this, you actually go in the studio, you actually work with somebody, and you actually get to, put your hands on equipment. You have assignments that, boost your morale, your ego, and really let you know that you can do this. So my advice for people who are looking to join BMG is to do a little soul searching. If this is something that's been on your mind, your heart to do, you already know that. And, you might look on the internet and think it's a scam. You might think it's some, whatever the case may be. I thought the same things too, but trust me, the man's going to deliver Mike's going to deliver his end of it. You have to do your part. And if it's for you, you're going to know it. To me, you're going to know instantly. And it's been a rewarding process. It's been a rewarding experience for myself. I'm very happy that I did it. I would recommend it to anybody.